Khlem wan ke Congress but Meghalaya Trinamool Congress syaka jingialang ke bala khot do Myntri Rangbah ke jelau konrat ke sangma haka khat santarik no pra arjar arpuwe banya kren bat yata yeter haka jingi penbet yo port usam apadeng ke jela Meghalaya but Assam hadin ke jingwan jurip but la IT ye ki kai pot dak regional committee border issue Habai kren shkilat pathai kubor haka khat rhetoric mentau benai no pra arjar arpuwe uba lakmen rumbui ulo ong ba Kani ka jingbom wan jongki ka day le se pakadang don ka jingbom sngow tho jingmut kinu ki badai na ka Congress but kinu ki badai na ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress watla ka taru ula ong bekila day banwan knang banyo banyata ya thir but ai jingmut ha ka be day but upot usam
I cannot comment on what is in their mind. Maybe there is a confusion in them, which is the real Congress, which is the real opposition. Maybe there is still a confusion, so they cannot think nicely because the Congress also maybe they thought that those who went away are still a Congress, and those who went away also they are thinking that are still a Congress. So this confusion may be there. That's why they didn't attend this meeting. But having said that, whoever may be, when the government have invited, it is the duty and responsibility to attend and express the opinion. It does not matter whether the opinion it is right or wrong or it is in consonance with the thought of the government. That is different issue altogether. But on this major issue, it is a letdown to the people of the state who have high expectation that this boundary dispute in the state, for the first time, there is a ray of hope that it could be resolved, where a starting could be done, and we may able to settle the dispute so that our fellow friend or fellow brothers and sisters who are living in the border area could live peacefully and do their normal duty without any disturbance. The border issue, why it happened like this? It is because the previous government, they take it as an ad hoc issue. They take it as a status quo issue, where they take it as for many they take it as the election issue, and they want to keep it alive for their own election interest without taking into the interest of the state. So for us, the MDA government, that's why I told from the beginning that for the first time, would the Chief Minister go with open mind and with a positive mindset to settle. What other people say, we didn't care, as long as we take the interest of the state, the concern of the state and the interest of the state is taken care of. So I hope that the opposition should not play politics in this type of issue and let the new dawn